bed here, but it's cute, guys. So it's gonna be my first time boarding a train. Thanks to I've been to metros, but not a real train, right? You have. Yeah. So guys, we are waiting for the train here. It's what's the time?
10 after 6 in the morning.
Yeah, 10 after 6. So keep tuned in as you join our journey for how many hours?
21?
Yeah.
21, 22 hours.
Yeah. Okay guys, stay tuned. Oh my god, you guys.
There he is running, honey.
Guys, we are leaving Surya this time. Oh my god, I haven't run this run for a very long time, guys. So we are inside the train. It's really cute, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just us in the cabin. We're gonna show you in a second. So we were like very at the beginning of the train, right? And we are supposed to be at the end, so
no,
we had
we were
to
at
run.
The other way around, but yes.
Yeah, but
Our cabin is at the very end of the train, and we were much closer to the front of the train, and it's a very long train.
yeah. Saint, what do you think?
Yes, it's moving, look.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay,
I'm so excited. I'm excited.
oh my god, yeah, me too, I'm excited. So guys, let's show you. These are the beds. We have 2 beds in here.
Me and you sleep here, Dad will sleep here.
So we have 2 beds here. This is the first one, and then the second one. This is how big the room is, guys. But the good thing, it's like it's just us in it, right? Let me see if I can show them from here. Yeah, so this is it. This is Warren. This is not part of the train. Yeah, so guys, this is what they gave us for breakfast: an omelette and bread. This is bread, honey.
Yeah. And there's butter there, but there's no way to butter the bread.
Oh yeah. And then this is what they give you to eat with a wooden spoon. Oh, it makes Warren sick. So if it does, you guys should, I think, pack a few forks or spoons for yourself if you also can't use this, because this is what they give you. That was Warren's leftover for breakfast, right? So guys, we came with our pillows and blankets. They don't give you whatever, blankets, bed sheets and so on, but I think it's because of COVID.
Yes.
So they don't want people to share things, which is even more safer, right? So guys, we are on the move. So when you come immediately, the train leaves like after an hour. They come and ask you if you want what you want for breakfast. They offer breakfast, and then after breakfast they also
make it lunch.
Yeah. So they just came in and asked what we want for lunch. Warren made some special orders. Are you giving me a wallet? I take it forever.
Maybe you're interested more in this.
No. So, okay guys, this is our lunch. They served us lunch. This is a special order that Warren asked them to make because they had like typical Indian food. So we're gonna test this and see how it tastes, right? It's been 6 hours now, right? More than 6 hours, guys. We've been sleeping, all of us.
Until morning.
You said you're hungry. Can you eat? Honey, they put cabbage in the chicken, right?
Yeah, it's nice, yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Love it.
You do?
Yes. Just like it used to make this taste.
True. You're right. Actually, this tastes like my mom's food. Guys, it's been hours. Been sleeping for hours. So right.
Coffee.
9 hours now. It's another station. Oh my god, I don't want to fall. Okay, we are here. I'm sleeping here with Sam. Guys, oh my god, I slept and woke up and slept and woke up and slept and woke up, but they made us very nice lunch. We still have some leftovers, so I'm gonna have some of that, and then they'll still make us dinner. Yeah, we ordered for dinner, so yeah, so far so good. The body's relaxed. Like I thought it's gonna be a hectic journey or something, but no. I think it's just all you have to do is chill and enjoy the trip. Sleep, wake up, watch something, and repeat, and do the same. Yeah. Oh, Mr. is sleeping. I don't think he has slept like this before for so long because he has really been working. So yeah, I think this is really good for him. Okay guys, let's go to the washroom. I think everything is fine in this train apart from the washroom. Oh my god, I hate it so bad. It's making me so sick. Wait, I open for you. Don't touch anything.
Close.
So guys, that's the washroom. I think they've cleaned it now. It's not so stinky. So this is the thing. I don't think this works. Let me show you guys. Wait for me. guys, it's already dark. I think we are parking at some station. Okay guys, now this is our dinner. It's already dark. See outside. What time is it, honey? Like 7, right?
7:30.
7:30. So we ordered for the same food we had for lunch. Okay guys, we are in Delhi now. After like 25 hours.
Way more than that.
Yeah, it's more than 25 hours, guys.
Yeah.
So they're gonna pop, then we get out of the train. Saint, how do you feel?
Good.
27, almost 28 hours.
Oh my god. But it's comfy. It's actually comfy, right? It's comfy. We slept, like, we don't complain. Apart from the washroom, me, not satisfied with the washroom. I didn't drink anything because I was scared to go to the washroom.
Did you always go in the one, or did you go in both?
One. The other one is for men. This one is for women, where we used to go.
Yeah. So I took it the one time. It's just a hole in the floor.
Yeah, I saw it when you were entering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No toilet there, just a hole.
We have a lot of luggage, but let's see if I'll be able to film and like show you outside.
Yeah.
And if we are out, at least we have options. Okay guys, so as usual we never book hotels when we are traveling because we always want to see how they look like and so on, because online pictures are so lying and deceiving.
Yep, so I named this beautiful hotel.
Yeah, so we got to the train and then we got some
Best Western hotels.
some people to help us carry our luggage, and the driver, we got a taxi actually. We asked the driver nice hotels around and they brought us to this hotel. What is it called?
Best Western.
Best Western Hotel. Like it's just a few kilometers from the train station. So it's really cute inside. It's new. That's what Warren just told me.
2 months.
2 months old. Yeah, let me show you guys the place. It's really cute. It's neat. I haven't seen the rooms. I can't wait. So guys, this is the restaurant downstairs. So they gave us breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Breakfast is on the room, which we paid 4,500 for the room. It's really cute. It's fun. Simple, small, and so nice, right? Yeah.